Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest tech reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the camera lens protection phone case for Huawei P20 P30 P40 Mate 20 Pro Honor 20. This sleek and stylish case not only offers superior protection for your phone, but also features a unique camera lens protection design that ensures your lens stays scratch-free and crystal clear. Crafted from high-quality materials, this case is designed to withstand everyday wear and tear, keeping your phone safe from accidental drops and bumps. The matte translucent finish adds a touch of elegance to your device, while the shockproof back cover provides added peace of mind. But what sets this case apart is its innovative camera lens protection feature. With a raised edge around the lens, you can rest assured that your camera lens will stay protected from scratches, dust, and other potential damage. Say goodbye to blurry photos and hello to the perfect shot every time. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, an on-the-go professional, or simply someone who wants to keep their phone in pristine condition, this camera lens protection phone case is a must-have accessory. And the best part? You can get your hands on one today by clicking the link in the description below. Don't settle for anything less than the best when it comes to protecting your phone and capturing unforgettable moments. Upgrade to the camera lens protection phone case for Huawei P20 P30 P40 Mate 20 Pro Honor 20 and take your phone to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech reviews.